Triumph Motorcycles announced new 2023 Triumph Chrome Collection. Top 10 iconic motorcycles from Triumph. Add each of motorcycles completely with a beautiful and unique new chrome design. Especially inspired by the classic custom look, beautifully executed by Triumph's world-class design and manufacturing teams. And this is the simply stunning collection of 10 iconic Chrome Edition Triumph motorcycles is a celebration of handcrafted style and tradition, is so amazing. So after watch this video details, I think you will more satisfied and enjoy for Triumph motorcycles. Okay, this is the short video from Triumph Motorcycles that just announced, with Triumph Chrome Collection and handcrafted style tradition. So after watch this video you will enjoy for world classic Triumph motorcycle, so please like and share my video to your friend to make them know also. If you have anything please let me know by comment below, or check in Triumph Motorcycles web for clearly. So we will update for next, from Triumph Chrome Collection, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to know more new video each first. Thanks for watching.